To install Auto-GPT on your PC, follow these steps. First, make sure you have the minimum requirements in your PC. First requirement is, you must have Python 3.7 or higher installed in your PC. Here is a guide for installation. You can download a Python installer from the official Python download website when you use this installer. Make sure you mark the checkbox that says Add Python to Path. Click on Install Now. And that's it, just keep going next, and you will be done. Now the second requirement is Git. You download the zip file too, but Git makes it as easy. I will be using Git. To install Git to Git website, click Download for Windows. If you want tutorial for other OS, comment below. After that, choose the setup for standalone installer. Most probably your Windows is 64-bit, so choose it, download and install it. And all requirements are done. Now we need to download the Auto-GPT. So go to Auto-GPT GitHub page, click on code and copy the link. Now go to the folder you want to install it. In address bar left, click once, type cmd and type git clone and paste the link, hit enter. Now close cmd, open the Auto-GPT folder. And again open cmd, in that directory type pip install our requirements.txt, hit enter. I have all the files installed. Your might take few seconds to a minute depending on your computer. Open .env file in text editor. Replace your OpenAI API key with the API key you get from the OpenAPI account. You can change more, but you don't need to. Don't forget to rename .env.template to .env. Again in the address bar type cmd. Now type python scripts/main.py if you want text to speech, add speak, and if you want to use GPT 3.5, add GPT 3 only, hit enter, type n. Now give your AI a name, describe it, add 5 goals. And whenever it wants permission, type Y and enter. It's still under development, so you will encounter some errors, so don't worry. If you want to give it full control and let it run in autonomous mode, comment below. Now you have it, Auto-GPT in your PC. Please subscribe.